Hey y'all, welcome to THAM141 Homestead. If this is your first time here, welcome. Come on in. If it's your millionth time here, welcome. Come on back in. First things first, I'm going to tune my auto tune Husqvarna 555 chainsaw. It's really easy. You let it idle for 3 minutes and you should hear a change in it, and then you cut a log for like 45 seconds on wind out and you should hear a change in it. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. We'll see if she sounds any different. I don't hear a difference. Now we gotta wind it. I'm already sweating like a pig. All right, I just tuned. You're supposed to go 30 seconds on just letting it idle. I went a minute. You're supposed to go about 45 seconds high rev cutting. I went a minute. I didn't hear much of a change with the idle, but on the running, I heard it clear up. It stopped getting so boxy. That pop pop. Hey y'all, while you're here, YouTube has a video right down here that is perfectly suited for your viewing pleasure, and I put a playlist up here that relates to this content. So check them out, guys. Y'all have a great day, and God bless.